Hey everyone! If you're planning to expand into Asia, you've probably asked this question. Should we enter Hong Kong first or go directly into China? And many companies assume they're basically the same market. But here's the truth. They are completely different in regulation, cost, timeline, and strategy. Welcome to Hong Kong vs. China. And here's the real problem. Companies treat both markets the same and pay a heavy price. Result? Wrong strategy, delayed approvals, increased costs, failed market entry. In this video, we'll go deep into Hong Kong vs. China regulatory systems, step-by-step processes, both markets, timeline comparison, cost comparison, very important, documents required, real mistakes with examples, smart market entry strategy. Let's break it down. Part 1. The real problem. Why companies fail in Asia expansion. Most companies think, let's use the same strategy for both markets. Reality. China equals highly regulated. Hong Kong equals voluntary but market-driven. Real example. A company entered China expecting Hong Kong-like flexibility. Result? Application rejected, clinical data required, 12+ month delay. Root cause? No understanding of differences, no localized strategy. Key insight: Hong Kong and China are not interchangeable markets. Part 2. Regulatory Framework Overview. Hong Kong System. Medical Device Administrative Control System. Voluntary registration, market-driven compliance. China System. National Medical Products Administration. Mandatory registration, strict regulatory control. Key insight: Hong Kong equals flexible, China equals controlled. Part 3. Step-by-step process comparison. Hong Kong process. Step 1. Classification. Class I to IV. Step 2. Appoint LRP. Local responsible person. Step 3. Prepare documentation. Technical file. Risk analysis. Step 5. Submit to MDACS. Step 6. Review and listing. China process. Step 1. Classification. Class I, 2, 3. Step 2. Appoint legal agent. Step 3. Type testing, mandatory. Step 4. Clinical evaluation or trial. Step 5. Prepare registration dossier. Step 6. Submit to NMPA. Step 7. Technical review. Step 8. Approval. Key insight: China has more steps, stricter validation. Part 4. Timeline comparison. Hong Kong timeline, 3 to 6 months. China timeline, 9 to 18 months. With issues, 24 months plus. Key insight: China takes 2 to 3x longer. Part 5. Cost comparison. Hong Kong cost, $3,000 to $10,000. China cost, $15,000 to $50,000 plus. Why China is expensive? Type testing, clinical trials, local agent, documentation. Real example: company underestimated China cost. Budget $10K, actual $40K plus. Key insight: China requires serious investment. Part 6. Document requirements. Hong Kong. Technical file. Risk analysis. Labeling. China. Full dossier. Clinical data. Type testing reports. QMS. Key insight: China documentation is far more detailed. Part 7. Key differences summary. Key insight: Hong Kong equals fast entry. China equals deep compliance. Part 8. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Same strategy for both markets. Result: failure. Mistake 2. Underestimating China requirements. Result: rejection. Mistake 3. Skipping Hong Kong registration. Result: no market trust. Mistake 4. Budget miscalculation. Result: project delay. Mistake 5. No local partner. Result: compliance issues. Part 9. Smart market entry strategy. Best approach: enter Hong Kong first, fast entry. Build market presence. Expand into China with preparation. One line: Hong Kong equals entry gateway. China equals long-term growth market. Planning to enter Hong Kong or China? Don't treat them the same. Because wrong strategy equals delays. Wrong planning equals high cost. No expertise equals failure. Why choose OMC Medical, Hong Kong and China regulatory experts, end-to-end compliance support, faster approvals, strategic market entry planning? Whether you're starting in Asia or expanding into China, talk to OMC Medical experts today. If this helped you understand the difference between Hong Kong and China, follow OMC Medical for more deep regulatory insights. And we'll see you in the next video.